Okay, ready to start match 5. Autonomous period in 3, 2, 1, go. And it looks like the GHS Robotics has got a stone and moving around. Oh, they're caught on the sky bridge. Looks like everybody's ready for the driver period. In.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And GHS Robotics has got 2 stones in the building zone. Looks like Coded Minds is trying to get some stones. And we have 1 stack for the Red Alliance. And 2 stones. Looks like the OtterBotix team has some interesting picking up the stones method. We've got 30 seconds left. Let's see if GHS can pick up 1 last stone. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And match end.